Okay guys, after another amazing day of flying here in Germany, blue skies, beautiful, I want to share some battery experience with you. I've used 3 different sets of batteries today. Now these ones, the 2200s, I set the timer for 7 minutes, and after 7 minutes I had 30% of charge still in them. This one here, I set the timer for 8 minutes, and again, 30% after 8 minutes. And the big one here, 3300, I set the timer for 9 minutes and landed after 9 minutes, and again, 30% of capacity left. Now with this pack, the two of them, I have 340 grams. That one here is 417 grams, so 100 grams more. And that one here is 495 grams, so almost, again, 100 grams more. So there you have your options. I can't really say that I noticed very much difference in flight performance between the different batteries and the different weights. The big one here, I have a feeling that it even stabilizes the airplane a little bit, which can be a good thing. So if you ask me, probably this one here is the ideal battery for this airplane. It's 2,800 milliampere hours, 6-cell graphene. It gives you a good 8 minutes of flying time with 30% capacity left. If you don't really care and you want to go down to 20% or so, and you don't care about the lifetime of the batteries so much, you could go down to 18% or something. It will probably give you 9 or even 10 minutes, depending on your flying style of flying, and I think that's really great. But also, if you want to fly longer, and I sometimes like to fly longer simply when I repeat certain figures over and over again just to practice them, and I don't really care so much about the fact that it is actually heavier, then that one is nice. It could probably get you a good 11, maybe even 12 minutes of flying for your training sessions. Okay guys, that was my little battery experience report with the Ultimate AMR 60. As always, please subscribe to my channel, watch the other videos, and well, some of the next projects that I'm looking at, one is this little baby here. I have to get up again. It had a bit of a mishap, and but it's as good as fixed, so looking forward to flying that. And then also up here, there's another beautiful airplane. You might have seen the videos right up there. I have the smoke system up and running now. It should work. And so there's more to come. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and well, have fun. See you later, bye.